This one is now we are discussing like that CSV, right? Header is a false. Okay. Based on that one, we have to convert like JSON to CSV, CSV to JSON, XML, everything. XML means to tag is must and should. Now we'll go to the array. We have to take some array example. An example. Yeah, I will take some example. I want like lost. Here, whenever using that array, we'll go to that how to say 0, 1 to index based. I want to like second value means what we have to put 2 minus 1 like that. Means this one is coming right. 2 minus 1 means 1. If you lost value means 3 minus 1, 2 like that. If you sometimes is a minus 1 also, if you like here is 100. Okay, I want lost value. Then you have to put that minus 1. Okay. This is like predefined functions also is there. In coming classes, we will discuss the predefined functions based on the requirement. This is the basic thing. Okay. Sometimes it's a nested tags. Whenever using that nested tags, how to get also, I will show you that one. Already you know this one. This is a like syntax. I will take that one nested tag. Nested. Yeah. This is a nested. Okay. Here I want to print like this one 2 or 1 value. Suppose we'll take that first two value. Then how to print payload. Okay. This is a 0th index. This is the first index, right? Payload of 1. First index is I want like first or second means based on the if you I want this value means this index, this is a first inside, this is a 0 and 1, right? We have to calculate 1 second like that. Then if you put that 1 means we'll display 2. 10 means 1. Like that. In object also same way. We discussed, right? Same that one is a like that example only. I will show you the example name. This one will do that name is take this name only. Okay, I want this value. Last name. How to fetch? Tell me now. Using square brackets. Okay, this is object. This is a 0th index. This is a first index. This is a second index. Then what we have to do first? We have to put like that second. Then will come right. This last name is dot last name. Here is all our syntax. That's it. If you learn syntax, that is very easy. Mapping is very easy. Clear? Okay. And then square brackets also same like that. This one is new 3 only. Nested also we discussed, right, just now. Negative also we discussed. A range selector means same like this way. If you want display that range selectors means, I will show that range selector. Payload of 0 to 1 means all will display, like 0 means how, like that will index here 1, 2 minus 1. If you 3 means 0 to 2. If I will put that 7, what will happen? Nothing is there, right? Array index out of bound exception will come. Here the data view playground, no exception, but in generally we will get that array index out of bound exception is come like that. 6 also same way. Okay, put that 0 to 2. If you suppose what will happen, 1 to 1 means what will happen? Oh, why? Because 1 to 1 means this one only, right? Only one, like this index. This is a range selector. Okay, same like that we are fetching, right? But here is will give range. But if you want multiple values, then we will go to that range selector. Otherwise, it's not required. Based on that index only, we will get. Here, then we will take one example. We will convert that example is JSON to XML. What we will do? I will take this one, profiles. We'll take that example. First, before convert, okay, I need like this one, profession means of architect, right? I want this value, profession or country. How to fetch now? Tell me in this scenario. I will write, tell me then. I want this value, country or profession. Please try. If you correct or wrong, leave it, then we will try. Someone please respond. Sunita or Tiras.
What is that, sir? I didn't hear you.
Sorry, Tiras.
I didn't hear. What did you say?
This I want to display this value, country and this profession means of corporate, right? I want to display here these two only. These two values only, not this object, only this object inside these two values only. First, I will print key values, dummy key, then tell me. What I have to write here? After dot profiles, I will put that profile. Then you will get that right. Profile, after profile, what is the values here? Country values. This is a country key, our key. Okay. Here one object. Here is another object. This is the first object means 0. Second object means 1. right? Correct or not? Then 1 dot after square bracket dot, okay, is coming, right? Same way, question. Display this two, right? Now we have deleted this one, right? Just profiles is deleted. I want to print these values. Then how to handle now? This is a payload. This is a without reference key. Here nothing is there. This is a one object. Object inside is a array. Tell me.
payload dot 0
Sorry?
0 ఇది
Zero.
ఇండెక్స్ 0 కదా then 1
1 minute. How like that you will get idea. I will tell you the control X. Payload of 0. Why you are using that 0? This is the object, only one single object. Inside is the array. Okay. This is only object, right? This object. Object means what we require. We discussed, right? Key and value. Key colon value. Here, where is a key? Means this is a JSON is a not valued. Correct? You have to check like that only. What is a mistake? If you someone is giving this like type of payload means you have to ask like that. Compulsory JSON object means key and value is required. Here is key is missing. Please, what exact key name? Then you have to check with customer and then you have to put that key name also. Okay.
Yep.
Here key name is must and should. Okay. Then I will delete like this now. Tell me now. This value same. I want to print this values. Country only. Here is a this array of objects, right? Now is a payload is coming, right? This one now is a very simple, right? Payload of 0 is this one. This is the first object. This is the second object. Means first, second object means we have to put 1 and then dot country. Like this. Okay. Then see up trying to output second row profiles is there. Okay. Here this one is array, right? Is not converting like everything. Why? Because root tag is expected. Okay, after root tag, that is a value, right? Profile names and text like that. We have how to say profiles. Here, remove this one. Unexpected character. Some character is there. Profile one object. This is a root tag. Profiles is a root tag. This is one object. Statement without this. Output, trying to output is the second profile. While writing profiles, two profiles is required. Another profile is missing. Profile. Yeah, auto reverse back. I will do this one profiles. Then we will done. Okay. Okay, so we are trying this one, right? Profiles. Okay, this one. Here, this array, right? Array is not converting that XML. If you row tag also, if you suppose, I will take this example, only single example. So let's. Okay, it's not converting. What we have to do means here is this square bracket something. If you write JSON means this is a valid JSON. Profiles. Payload dot profiles means only one object, right? This one is a converting is the profiles like this. If you put like object, okay, this is the correct JSON. JSON is expecting like this way, right? Key and value, right? This is a key, this is a value. But here is only one object, like key and value is passing means only one object, right? Then if you change like this means here is displaying profiles only. Why? Because this is only one object here. If you remove like this means, if you remove like this means, this is a valid JSON. If you convert that XML means here what root tag is must and should, right? If you suppose I will convert XML, okay. Some root tag is expecting, right? I will put like that text. Wow. We'll write here, I don't know then. Student object, one object will take it. Controllers, control V. The root tag is in smart control. It's coming right. I don't know why is not coming here. Same input is done here. Once again, we'll do that. Here, I don't know, some issue that data we played on. Here, see, I have converted same object. This root tag is expecting like this text, first name and last name. Here is converting, right? Here some issue data view playground. Let me check that what exactly issue. I'm not sure. Okay, generally we will do like this only. Okay. Sometimes here in data view playground is expecting that tag, right? Let me check the tag if you are correct. Yeah, maybe this one is expecting here. Okay, like this. Then we'll see if you number of tags means I will take this example only. This is a complex one. We'll take this one. Root tag is expecting. Now, what we have to do, we have to compare like I'll do. This is a profile. Okay, is like a test. After then, here is expecting some object, right? What object like instead of array, this object. I will change that one array to object. Okay, this is fine. Then still some issues. One more issue I expected. Let me check that one. Here is if your array means not converting. All are object format. Profile. Inside is expecting another one. Profiles one. Then this is like this object. This is a one object. This is another object. Proceed. Where is impact expected? Yeah, that is a comma issue. Is now coming right. Array is the issue. Then I remove that array. Okay, this is a profiles one root tag. Inside is a profiles one is another root tag. If you another root tag is not required means just simply how to delete like this. Then only profiles, name, last name, first name, country, skills. Okay. If you have error, any syntax related error, right? Here is very difficult to identify. If you have any syntax issues, then you have to check like this way. Here we'll get that all whatever may be, how to say, index related issues or any comma related issues, everything is a yellow mark, right? Based on that identified. Just now I have fixed, right? 2 or 3. What expecting is like that we are giving something is a suggestions. Based on the suggestion, we have to change here. Same way how done. Okay, like that only. This is XML. XML is very, very complex. We have to do like that. Whenever suppose you have to convert that JSON to XML, XML to JSON means you have to vice versa, you have to done. Suppose you have to convert XML to JSON, right? Some issue. Then you have target failure, right? I have suppose for assume that this is XML. I am unable to convert like this. What you have to do? Generally, you have to take like this example. And then you have to put here. Okay. First, you have to see like what is the structure. Then you have to change that JSON. You have to compare like if you suppose source side is a this is a JSON, target side is a this one. But whenever go to that source side is a different structure. This one is expecting like the target system. You have to compare that attributes. What attributes is there? What is the missing? What is the structure? Then only structure changes. Based on the structure changes, you have to identify. Whenever come to that XML or JSON, you have to first you have to see that what exactly root tag. After root tag, what is that attribute name? Based on that one, we have to do one by one mapping. Okay, mapping is another way is there, very, very easy way. Tomorrow I will tell you that one, how like that we have to convert that without this one also. Initially very difficult to convert, right? Generally, if you have very big also, we don't know. Sometimes is a time is very less. We have to complete like user story. Okay, we have to do that mapping is very difficult. Some syntaxes related issues, right? Any other easy way is there, but don't do like that now. Initially, you have to do like this way. After then, okay, you have to go to that one. I will show you that one tomorrow class, how to map exactly this one we have done today, right? Okay, after map object, I will explain that one also, how to map one to one.